In the center of the sun-kissed eastern Mediterranean island of Cyprus lie the Troodos Mountains, home to many Orthodox monasteries and churches. The largest and most renowned of these is that of the Virgin of Kykkos, founded in the late 11th century during the reign of the Byzantine Emperor Alexios Komnenos. Tradition tells us that the icon of the Virgin Mary brought to Kykkos from Constantinople was painted by none other than the Holy Apostle Luke the Evangelist. Almost 1,000 years later, from the same monastery, now comes a voice gently addressing the entire Orthodox world. It is the voice of Metropolitan NIKIFOROS, the abbot of this venerable monastery. It is set out in writing in a book of modest length, in which he gives the Orthodox faithful a thorough understanding of all the elements that make up the crisis that has engulfed their church since the unilateral grant of self-governing status to two schismatic groups in Ukraine by the Ecumenical Patriarchate of Constantinople in 2018. He strives to make us aware that we are all living through a dangerous, divisive crisis surrounding the Ukrainian issue and must not remain cold and indifferent in the face of the tragic schism that threatens to tear apart the body of the one, holy, Catholic, and Apostolic Church. In writing, he sought to defeat his own indolence and comfortable passivity regarding this issue, and in reading his words, we too should be challenged in equal measure. He concludes, "I pray that Christ our Redeemer, the crucified and risen God-man, with the temptation, will also make the way of escape. I pray that he may give prudence and enlightenment to all, and especially to the primates, the leaders of orthodoxy, that without hegemonic tendencies and authoritarian dispositions, they may offer our church a dialogue of brotherly love, the fragrant witness of unity